In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print timeline on Asana. To get started, open your browser and log into your Asana account as you normally would. Once you're on your main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a panel that includes a section called Projects. This is where all of your existing projects are listed. Take a moment to find the project that contains the timeline you want to print, and then click on that project to open it. When the project opens, look toward the top of the screen. You'll see a row of tabs, such as List, Board, and Timeline. Click on the Timeline tab. This view shows your tasks laid out over time, which is what you'll be printing. Before you move on, it's a good idea to give yourself as much space as possible. In the upper left corner of the timeline view, you should see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines, often called a hamburger menu. Click on this to collapse the left panel. That will hide the project list and give you a wider, clearer view of the timeline, which usually results in a better printout. Now that your timeline is front and center, you're ready to open the print dialog. On your keyboard, press Ctrl+P if you're on Windows, or Command+P if you're on a Mac. This will open your browser's print dialog box. On the left side, you'll see a live preview of what your timeline will look like on paper or as a PDF. It might take a few seconds for that preview to load fully, so wait until everything appears clearly. On the right side of the print dialog, you'll find your settings. Here you can choose the destination, such as your physical printer or a PDF option. You can also choose which pages to print, the layout, and whether you want color or black and white. For timelines, landscape orientation often works best, so check that under Layout. Then click on More Settings to expand the advanced options. Here you can adjust the paper size, pages per sheet, margins, and the scale. If the text or tasks look too small, try increasing the scale slightly lately so the timeline fills more of the page. Take a final look at the preview on the left to make sure the key parts of your timeline are visible and readable. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, go down to the bottom right of the dialog and click Print. Your Asana timeline will now be printed or saved, ready to share with your team or keep for your records.